In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Outlook emails to PC. We'll walk through the classic desktop Outlook method, how to save single messages, and what to do if you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, so you can keep a reliable backup or move your mail to another computer. If you are using the classic desktop version of Outlook, start by opening Outlook on your PC. In the top left corner, choose File. From there, select Open and Export. Then click Import File Export to launch the wizard. Choose Export to a file and continue. For the file type, pick Outlook Data File, also called a .pst. This format packages your selected mail and folders into a single file that Outlook can open later. Next, choose what you want to export. You can select your entire email account, or drill down to specific folders like Inbox or Sent Items. Make sure Include Subfolders is checked if you want a complete backup with the same folder structure you see today. When you are ready, click Browse to pick where to save the PST on your PC, such as Documents or an external drive. Click Finish to start the export. You can add a password to the .pst if you want an extra layer of protection. It's optional, but if you set one, keep it safe because you'll need it to open the file later. Depending on mailbox size, the export may take a while. Leave Outlook open and make sure you have enough disk space. This process creates a copy of your data. It doesn't remove messages from your mailbox. If you only need a single email saved outside Outlook, open that message and go to File. Then Save As. Pick a format like .msg to keep the message exactly as it appears in Outlook, including attachments, or choose .html if you want to view it easily in a web browser. Save it to your desktop or any folder you prefer. Using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open Outlook. Click the gear icon for settings in the top right. Go to General, then Privacy and Data. Choose Export Mailbox. Outlook will prepare your data and send an email with a download link. This can take up to 48 hours, especially for large mailboxes, so keep an eye on your inbox and download the file promptly once you receive the link. That's it. Thanks for watching.